Dear students, welcome to the 18th session of Accounting 1 subject of BBA first semester. In this session, we will learn about the meaning of ledger account, the points to be noted while preparing ledger account, the specimen form of ledger account, and the process involved in preparation of ledger account. Last class we have learnt about preparation of journal, journalizing the business transactions, and recording it in the journal. In the current class, we will learn the process of preparation of ledger, posting of transactions, and balancing of account. After we prepare journal, after journalizing the business transactions in the book of original entry called journal, the journal entries have to be posted into a book called ledger. What is a ledger? Ledger is a book where various accounts are kept. The word ledger is derived from the Dutch word legger, which means to lie or to keep. So, in the ledger, the transactions of same nature, that is, pertaining to one person or one classification of service or one category of expense or income, are classified and grouped together in one place in the form of an account through a process called posting. ಸೊ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಲೆಜರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪುಸ್ತಕಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಆರ್ rent paid is an expense together, salaries paid kept together in the form of an account. The advantage of journal ledger is it's a permanent record where all the journal entries are classified and grouped. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಜರ್ನಲಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಲೆಜರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it gives us complete information about the business transactions entered. It is a summarized and classified record of transaction. ಒಂದು ವಿಧದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ 12 ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ at one place called salaries account. This will help me to get the classified information. And these ledgers will further facilitate preparation of final accounts. Ledger accounts, we will be able to prepare trial balance, thereby prepare trading and profit and loss account, and also prepare balance sheet of the business. There are a few rules while posting journal entries to the ledger. We need to see that a separate account is opened for each and every account, and entries from journal are posted to their respective ledger account accordingly. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರೀಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪೇಡ್ ರೆಂಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್, I have to open one account in each of the head, and any transaction, any journal entry found in respect to this particular head shall be transferred to the same account only. The words like to and by are used generally while posting the entries into the ledger account. The word to is used when the accounts are posted in the debit side of the column of the particular account, and by is used when the accounts are posted into the credit side of a particular account. The account which is debited in the journal should be debited in the ledger book, but the reference should be of the credit account. ಒಂದು ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತಾದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ by purchases. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆವೋ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆವೋ ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. We can understand this when we are working out problems. You can see the specimen form of a ledger account. Let us take, this is cash account here. So if I have paid cash for purchases, here the name will be cash account. I will write the name cash account here, and I will write the date on which the cash has been paid. From the journal entry I'll get this information. So the entry there in the journal entry may be purchase account debtor to cash account. That means cash account has been credited, purchases account is debited. So cash account has been credited, so purchases account has to be written here like by purchases account. We should write here by purchases account. Let us take another example. I gave you, I have sold goods for cash. So the entry will be cash account debtor to sales account. So cash account has to be debited to sales account. So we will use the journal entries for recording the transactions in the ledger account. The date column will be filled in with the date on which the transaction has taken place. Particulars column will be the bearing the name of the account which is to be debited or which is to be credited. Journal folio column shall be used for recording the page number of from which the journal entry has been posted to the ledger. The debit side I will write the amount to be debited. The credit side I shall write the amount to be credited. The opening balances, if there are any, I will write it as to balance brought down, and if there is credit opening balance I will write by balance brought down. At the end of the accounting period or interval, the ledger account has to be balanced. Balancing means where the totals of both the sides are compared and we find out the difference between debit and credit totals. Balancing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಫ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೊ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. Balancing of ledger account is an act of identifying whether a particular account has received more benefits than it has given or has given more benefits than it has received. So brought down means brought down from the previous balancing period. Carried down means which is taken to the next balancing period. Not all ledger account will be having brought down and carried down balances. Nominal accounts are generally closed and the balances are transferred to profit and loss account, whereas personal account and real accounts, in case of personal account and real account, any amount standing as balance will be carried forward to the next accounting year, which will be recorded in the balance sheet. The steps for balancing ledger account is discussed below. The total of debit and credit columns have to be separately calculated and the difference amount should be arrived at, which is called the balancing figure. If the debit side total is higher than that of the credit side, the balance is called the debit balance and is written on the credit side, that is the side where the amount is less, and it is referred to as by balance carried down in the particulars column. Similarly, if the total of the credit side is more than the debit side of the debit side, the balance is called credit side and the difference amount is written on the debit side of the account as to balance carried down. The totals are double underlined so that it indicates that the account is closed and balanced. The closing balance of this year will become the opening balance of the next year. So generally the opening balances will be available only for personal account and real account. Nominal account balances, if there are any, will be transferred to profit and loss account. So in this class, we have learned what is a ledger account, points to be noted while preparing ledger account, the format of ledger account, and balancing of ledger account. In the next classes, we will try to understand the preparation of ledger account with the help of certain illustrations. Thank you.